Do you know where your money is spent each month? Today I will tell you what a budget is and how it can change your life. Subscribe to our channel and learn the secret to saving money. Meet John. John is an ordinary American who earns $3,000 a month. But at the end of the month his bank account is completely empty. Why? Because he has no budget. Does this story sound like you? A budget is a plan for your money. It tells you how much money is coming in and where it's going. Simply put, it's your financial roadmap. But how do you get started? John decided one day to change his financial situation. He took out a notebook and started writing. The first step was to write down his monthly income. Do you know what your exact income is? John wrote, monthly salary $3,000, $500 from side hustle. Total $3,500. Now the question is, where is this money going? Let's look at John's expense list. John looked at his expenses. Rent $1,200, groceries $400, restaurants $300, car payment $500, and many other small expenses. The total added up to $3,800. Oh no! Look at the problem. John is spending $3,800 but earning only $3,500. He's short $300 a month. That's why his credit card debt is increasing. Is your situation similar? Now John understands why budgeting is important. A budget gives you three things. First, control over your money. Second, savings for the future. Third, a debt-free life. John started the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple budgeting method. 50% of your income goes to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary expenses, and 20% to savings. Isn't that great? John's $3,500 budget. 50% means $1,750 for essential expenses like rent, bills, groceries. Is that enough? Let's see. 30% means $1,500 for discretionary spending like restaurants, entertainment, shopping. And 20% means $700 for savings and debt payments. Now John has a plan. But the problem is that John's essential expenses are over $1,700. So what's the solution? John decided he needed to cut back. But where to start? John first looked at his restaurant expenses. $300 a month. He decided to cut back on eating out and cook at home. This would save him $200. Can you do this? The next step was to check the subscriptions. John saw that he was paying for Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, and gym memberships that he didn't use. A total of $150 a month. What a waste! John canceled the ones he didn't use. He dropped his gym membership and started working out at home. He watched free workout videos on YouTube. That saved him another $100. Smart move. Now John has an extra $300 a month. But it's not enough. He wants to save even more. So what can he do? John learned to use coupons and deals. John started using coupons when grocery shopping. He shopped on sales days. He bought store brands instead of branded products. This saved him an extra $50 a month on groceries. Small changes, big results. John opened a savings account. He transferred money into the savings account first every month. This is called the pay yourself first method. Pay yourself first, spend the rest. After 3 months, John saw that his savings account had $2,000. For the first time in his life, he had an emergency fund. This feeling is priceless. Is this the feeling you want? But John still has $5,000 in credit card debt. The interest rate is high at 18%. This debt is costing him an extra $75 in interest every month. It has to stop. John learned the snowball method. Pay off the smaller debts first, then the larger debts. When each debt is paid off, add that money to the next debt. This way the debt is paid off faster. Great strategy. John paid off the smallest debt with some of his savings. Then he added that payment to the larger debt. In 6 months, he paid off one of his credit cards in full. A sense of victory. After a year, John's life has completely changed. All of his credit card debt has been paid off. He has $5,000 in an emergency fund. and he is saving $800 a month. That's the power of budgeting. But you might be wondering, my income is low, how can I save? Listen, a budget works for any income. The important thing is to control your spending and set priorities. Try the envelope method. Make a separate envelope for each expense and keep the cash. When the envelope is empty, there are no more expenses in that category. It's a great way to control spending. Try a zero-based budget. Here your income minus expenses equals zero. This means every dollar has a purpose. No money is wasted. Put every dollar to good use. Use a budgeting app. Apps like Mint, Inab, Every Dollar track your spending, create budgets, and give reminders. Use technology to achieve financial success. Set up automatic transfers. As soon as you get your paycheck, it will be automatically transferred to your savings account. This way, you won't forget your savings and will save before you spend it. Follow the 30-day rule. Wait 30 days before making any major purchases. During this time, think about whether you really need it. Most of the time, you will realize that you don't need it. Avoid impulse buying. Take the no-spend challenge. Spend no money one day a week or month, except on essentials. This will change your spending habits and increase your savings. Use cashback and rewards. Use credit card reward points, cashback offers, store loyalty programs. But remember, don't spend unnecessarily on rewards. Review your budget at the end of the month. See where you overspend and where you saved. This analysis will help you budget better for next month. Set financial goals. Short-term goals like a vacation fund, long-term goals like a home down payment or retirement. Goals will keep you motivated. Keep your budget flexible. Sometimes unexpected expenses will come up, like car repairs or medical bills. Keep a contingency fund in your budget for these emergencies. Talk about your budget with your partner or family. Achieving financial goals is easier if everyone works together. Have a family meeting and include everyone in the budgeting process. Find free entertainment. Picnics in the park, free concerts, library books, free museum days. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have fun. Be creative. Shop second-hand. Buy from thrift stores, garage sales, online marketplaces. Get great stuff for half the price or even less than new. Smart shopping. Do DIY projects. Repair things yourself, cook at home, make your own gifts. You can learn a lot by watching tutorials on YouTube. Develop skills and save money. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean deprivation. It gives you freedom. It gives you control over your money. It reduces stress. And it helps you achieve your dreams. Start today. So friends, that was the complete guide to budgeting and saving money. You too can change your life like John. Start creating a budget today. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Let your budget journey begin today.